best sport compact cars for 2024, 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. As the automotive industry races forward into 2024, the sport compact car segment is electrified with a stunning array of models that promise exhilarating performance and dynamic driving experiences. Among these, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio stands out as a true gem, captivating enthusiasts with its blend of Italian flair, potent powertrain, and precision engineering. 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, Italian passion meets performance. The 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio embodies the spirit of Italian automotive excellence, delivering thrilling performance wrapped in a sleek and sophisticated package. At its heart lies a Ferrari-derived 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that unleashes a breathtaking 505 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. This powerplant propels the Giulia Quadrifoglio from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Alfa Romeo's Q4 all-wheel drive system, the Giulia Quadrifoglio offers unparalleled traction and agility. The car's dynamic DNA Pro Drive Mode selector allows drivers to tailor the driving experience to their preferences, with settings ranging from dynamic for spirited performance to advanced efficiency for everyday efficiency. The Giulia Quadrifoglio's chassis is meticulously engineered for precision handling and responsiveness. Its lightweight construction, balanced weight distribution, and adaptive suspension ensure exceptional agility and control, whether carving through twisty mountain roads or navigating city streets. Visually, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio exudes Italian elegance and athleticism. Its sleek profile, aggressive front grille, and quad exhaust outlets make a bold statement on the road, while the iconic Quadrifoglio badge signifies its performance pedigree. Inside the cabin, the Giulia Quadrifoglio offers a luxurious and driver-centric environment. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create a sophisticated ambience, while features like the Alpha Connect infotainment system, Harman Kardon premium audio, and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration ensure connectivity and convenience on every journey. Other notable sport compact cars for 2024. While the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio shines brightly, it shares the spotlight with several other impressive contenders in the sport compact car segment. 2023 BMW M3, known for its potent inline-6 engine and precise handling, the M3 offers a thrilling driving experience. Mercedes-AMG C63, with its handcrafted V8 engine and luxurious interior, the C63 combines performance with refinement. Lexus IS 500F Sport, featuring a powerful V8 engine and plush cabin, the IS 500F Sport offers a blend of performance and comfort. Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400, with its twin-turbo V6 engine and stylish design, the Q50 Red Sport 400 provides a compelling option in the sport compact segment. Conclusion. As we look forward to 2024, the sport compact car market promises an exciting lineup of models that cater to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio stands out as a true icon, offering exhilarating performance, exquisite craftsmanship, and undeniable style. Whether you're drawn to the Giulia Quadrifoglio's Italian passion or the unique offerings of its competitors, the best sport compact cars of 2024 are sure to deliver an unforgettable driving experience.